Hey, hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, my topic this afternoon is all about the achievement test. Okay, so achievement test meaning it is an achievement test is a test of developed skill or knowledge. Okay, so mao ni ang kind of test na mo develop sa tong skill or knowledge as a learner. Okay, like for example, sa NAT or National Achievement Test. So, by the achievement test, dinhi nato ma-measure kung gaano ma-attain ng mga mag-aaral ang kanilang mga learning task. Okay, so one of the most common type of achievement test is a standardized test developed to measure skills in knowledge learned in a given grade level, usually through plan instruction such as training or classroom instruction. Okay, so that is one of the common type of achievement test is a standardized test. So by the standardized test, it will develop your skill or knowledge, like for example, the training or the classroom instructions. Okay, so mao na siya ang achievement test. Mao na siya yung common type of achievement test, ang standardized test. Okay, so proceed. Okay, so the function of achievement test. Okay, so this is the function of achievement test. Okay, so the first one is it proves basis for promotion to the next grade. Okay, so pasabot, ito yung ang nagpapatunay na ito ang achievement test ang nagpapatunay na ito yung batayan para sa mga promotion sa susunod na grade. Okay, so the second one is to find out where each student stands in various academic areas. Okay, so meaning through the achievement test, dito natin malalaman kung saan ang mag-aaral ay kung saan ang mga mag-aaral, kung asa sila nakabilong or asa sila nga academic areas. So mao siya ang pasabot. Okay, so the third one is it helps on the determination about the placement of the students in a particular section. Okay, so through the achievement test, ito ay nakakatulong sa pagpapasya tungkol sa paglalagay ng mga mag-aaral sa isang particular nga section. Okay, so mao na siya kung asa sila nabilong, kung asa sila nga area or kining unsa nga ilang mga particular nga section. Okay, so the fourth is to motivate the students before a new assignment has taken up. So, by the achievement test, ito yung nakakatulong para ma-motivate ang isang estudyante bago pa mo hatag ang teacher o assignment. Okay, so the last one is to expose pupils difficulties which the teacher can help them to solve. Okay, so pasabot pasabot kung kining by the achievement test kanay student will expose kung asa man sila naglisod, so pwede sila matabangan sa teacher kung unsay mga possible nga solution ana nga problem nila. Okay, so proceed. Okay, so we are here in the kinds of achievement test. Okay, so we have 5 kinds of achievement tests. Okay, so the first one is diagnostic test. Okay, so diagnostic test meaning it is a form of pre-assessment where teachers can evaluate students' strengths, weaknesses, knowledge, and skills before their instruction. Okay, so the second one, prognostic test. Okay, so meaning it is, it, it is a test which is designed to predict how well one is likely to do in a language course. Kung sa mga language course siguro na nila. Okay, so and the third one is accuracy test. Okay, so meaning it is a test method is said to be accurate when it measures what it supposed to measure. Okay, so the 4 is power test. Okay, so meaning the power test is a statistical calculation performed before a study to determine the minimum sample size needed for the study to have enough power. In other words, the minimum numbers of participants you need to have in your study. And the lastly is spit test. Okay, so the meaning of spit test, it is a diagnostic technique that involves laboratory analysis of saliva to identify markers of endocrine, immunologic, inflammatory, infections, and other types of condition. Okay, so that is all of the kinds of achievement tests. Okay, so we proceed to the limitations of achievement tests. So the limitations of these are the limitations of achievement tests. Okay, so the first one is achievement tests like teacher made tests do lack validity and reliability which do not serve expected purposes of tests. Okay, so meaning, so the limitation of achievement test, like the teacher made test, so sa gibuhat sa teacher sa pag-test niya sa estudyante, so she will do lack of validity or kulang sa bisa or valid and reliability na kung saan ito ay nagsisilbi na hindi naging maganda yung layunin niya. Okay. So the next one is achievement test, like short periodical test, sometimes discourage the students and create disappointment among students. Okay, so pasabot, so maupod ni ikaduha ang short periodical test nga sometimes is makahatag pod og discourage o disappointment sa mga estudyante. Okay, so that's it. That's all for this day. Okay, so thank you for listening. Bye bye.